The National Environmental Agency. Document is approved by the National Environmental Agency. Development Plan of the Environmental Pollution Monitoring Department. Current conditions and the necessary arrangements. The Environmental Pollution Monitoring Department. Tbilisi, 2014. The current slide presents the comparison of current and ideal conditions of the Environmental Pollution Monitoring Department. The chart presents the main activities of the department. Blue columns show the current conditions and the yellow ones show the standards to be reached. On the top of the columns are written the amount of units and percentage. The red column presents the overall current picture of the field. The stations of the atmospheric air pollution monitoring. Currently, the air monitoring has been conducting in 6 cities of Georgia: Tbilisi, Rustavi, Kutaisi, Zestaponi, Batumi, Abastumani. Tbilisi, Automatic Observational Station 1, Manual Observational Station 3. Rustavi, Automatic Observational Station none. Manual Observational Station 1. Kutaisi, Automatic Observational Station none. Manual Observational Station 1. Zestaponi, Automatic Observational Station none. Manual Observational Station 1. Batumi, Automatic Observational Station none. Manual Observational Station 1. Abastumani, Automatic Observational Station 1. Manual Observational Station none. Necessary arrangements. It is recommended to improve the intensity and the quality of air monitoring via increasing the observational automatic stations. 17 cities, overall 32 automatic observational stations. Need to purchase. 1 station installation price, €59,336. Sum total investment, €1,898,755. The mobile instrument for the atmospheric air monitoring. Currently, 5 outdated equipment has been utilized. Necessary arrangements. To purchase measurement equipment for contaminant element concentration in a pipe and atmospheric air. Aspirator, 10 units. Unit price, €1,250. Measurement equipment in pipe, 3 units. Unit price, €10,380. Mobile equipment for gas, 5 units. Unit price, €4,150. Mobile units for dust, 5 units. Unit price, €4,985. Sum total investment, €89,225. Surface water quality monitoring. The water quality monitoring has been conducting at the 40 water objects, lake, river, of 69 observational spots. In order to obtain a full-scale picture, it is recommended to increase observational points to 150. Necessary arrangements. Determination of new contaminants. To increase personnel to 12 staff members. Need to purchase. Reagents, €8,300. Instruments and equipment, €20,750. Sum total investment, €29,050. The comparison of the European laboratories to NEA laboratory. Water. Western European laboratories define 45 parameters in water. NEA lab defines 41 parameters. Requirement to be satisfied, 4 parameters. Eastern European laboratories define 51 parameters in water. NEA laboratory defines 41 parameters. Requirement to be satisfied, 10 parameters. Comparison of Georgian law regulation regarding the surface water quality monitoring to NEA laboratory capacity. According to the Georgian law regulation, should be defined 80 parameters in water. NEA laboratory defines 45 parameters. Requirement to be satisfied, 35 parameters. Automatic water measuring station. Through the water automatic station, the data will be transmitted uninterruptedly. 9 parameters will be measured. In case of necessity, will be activated the automatic sampling program and the alarm system. Need to purchase. Purchasing and installation of 10 stations. Unit price, €10,000. Sum total investment, €100,000. Soil quality monitoring. Soil sampling has been conducting at 12 settlements, sampling elements, heavy metals, pesticides and oil products. Necessary arrangements to increase settlements for soil sampling to 50, to increase personnel to 3 staff members. Need to purchase reagents, 38,600 euros. There is no need to increase traveling allowances as long as the soil sampling could be conducted alongside with the water sampling. Sum total investment, 38,600 euros. The comparison of the European laboratories to NEA laboratory. Soil. Western European laboratories define 44 parameters in soil. NEA defines 25 parameters. Requirement to be satisfied, 19 parameters. Eastern European laboratories define 39 parameters in water. NEA defines 25 parameters. Requirement to be satisfied, 14 parameters. Hygienic requirements of soil condition for a populated area and NEA laboratory capacity. According to the hygienic requirements of soil condition for a populated area, should be defined 100 parameters in soil. NEA defines 29 parameters. Requirement to be satisfied, 71 parameters. Atmospheric sediment monitoring. Monitoring has been conducting in 8 settlements. The quality of sediment depends on a level of contaminants in the air. Necessary arrangements. Organizing transportation of the collected sediments on 36 stations to the NEA laboratory. Black Sea monitoring. Observation has been conducting in 5 spots. Necessary arrangements. It is recommended to increase observational spots along the sea coast to 15 and in depth to 5 spots. Need to purchase reagents, 1,050 euros. Instruments and equipment, 8,300 euros. The cost of a sea transport renting must be taken into consideration as well. Sum total investment, 9,350 euros. Groundwater quality monitoring. Quality monitoring has been conducting at 2 spots. Necessary arrangements. It is recommended to increase quality monitoring spots to 300. Need to purchase chemical reagents, 4,200 euros. There is no need of additional traveling allowances as long as the samples will be provided by the geologists. Sum total investment, 4,150 euros. Radiation background monitoring. The system is provided with a satisfied amount of stations in 7 cities: Axaltsixe, Batumi, Bolnisi, Tbilisi, Tel Aviv, Mestia and Kutaisi. Planned arrangements. The installation of 3 new stations before the end of 2014. Sum total investment, 0 euros. Electromagnetic measurement monitoring. The measurement of the EM is conducting only based on appeals. Necessary arrangements. To align intense measurements. Need to purchase measurement equipment, 7,600 euros. Sum total investment, 7,480 euros. Noise level monitoring. The measurement of the noise level is conducting only based on appeals. Necessary arrangements. To align intense measurements. To prepare maps in order to determine the range of noise level spreading. Need to purchase 4 units of measurement equipment, 8,500 euros. Sum total investment, 8,300 euros. Additional costs emerged after the necessary arrangements are financed. Increasing of personnel, 15 staff members. Annual salary, 67,225 euros. Additional traveling allowances, 16,610 euros. Subtotal investment, 2,268,745 euros. The full implementation of the aforementioned activities and the increasing of the staff members to 48 will provide an opportunity to reach the ideal standards. Information users. The Ministry of Environment and Natural Resources Protection of Georgia. Environmental Supervision Department. The Center of the Environmental Information Protection and Education. The Ministry of Education and Science of Georgia. Science and Research Institutions. Ministry of Labor, Health and Social Affairs of Georgia. Parliament of Georgia. Media. Non-governmental organizations. private companies, international organizations and projects.